Good morning. You see, we got a little bit of rain last night. We also got a call that they would like us to plant peas in the next few days. So we're just kind of moving things around. We weighed a wagon. We just figured how much bean seeds left in it because I got to work the dirt for peas. So Owen's hopefully going to plant the rest of our soybeans first while I work the dirt. And then we're going to switch over to peas and plant the peas. So let's get the drill filled full of soys first. And then we are going to get pea seed here, get that into wagons, and then you'll probably see me either later today working dirt if the sun comes out, and then we're gonna start planting. Let's go. Oh, hello. We'll get the pea seed. Actually, I get it unloaded from the transport when it gets here, and then we got it transferred into that wagon. Look at that nice road corn, though. Oof. Better put diesel in her. That's expensive this year. Oof. So, actually, this used 1.2 liters per acre on the last field we did. So we're pretty happy with that. Other fields which are hilly, it can use up to 2 liters per acre. So this is 7710. This is from 1997 with the 8.1 liter. We're pretty happy with that. This is a 30-foot air seeder. When I'm using the 7630, which is the 6.8 liter, I think it's 2012. It's pretty consistent from 1.2 to 1.3 liters per acre. It doesn't seem to matter too much with the hills with that tractor. So we're pretty happy about these tractors for the fuel efficiency. I don't know what anybody else's tractors are using for fuel efficiency or whether you guys even figure it out. But for us, it's good knowledge. It doesn't change the fact of what it is, but it's just interesting knowledge to know per acre what we're putting down. We're trying to keep everything as cost effective as possible. Okay, so yeah, now we're gonna get to peas. So 4 totes, that'll do 50 acres of that variety. We got 5.5 totes over here of this variety. And that'll do about 60 acres, a little more than 60 acres. So 110 acres of seed sitting here. We're gonna set up the auger. We're going to put into wagons. So we can auger into the wagons, into the field, Pete Hailstone, my neighbor, this is his seed. He's getting the weight on his wagon because he's getting seed here too. It's just easier to drop it off in one location for the truck driver, us, everybody. We'll set up the auger, get into wagons. That way he's got his seed, we got ours. We'll get it loaded. Yep. Yep. You're a head bit more there, Pete. Right there. You're in between the rungs. What just rolled in the laneway? 8370R, brand new. We get to try it out. I'm excited. I'm not buying it. I am not buying it, but I'm loving the fact that they get to let me to try it out. So it's got all the good features. It's got the massaging seat, the heated cool, the massaging seat. Anyways, we'll get some more video of this. I don't know if I'm gonna work there tonight, tomorrow. We gotta go check some fields yet. Let's go do that and then we'll see what happens. So I guess we're actually gonna use her. Went and checked the field. It's good to go. Owen actually just went out. He's starting to plant soys again. So I might as well get this worked once because I want to get it worked twice before we plant peas. Let's try this thing. Ooh. It's got that new tractor smell. Mm-hmm. Ooh, steering wheel feels nice. Well, that sucks. I just got a call. I can't use it now. They just sold it before I get to use it. So I've got to park it again. So we're going to get my tractor. Well, that's just how life rolls. That's funny. Oh, what do you do? It would have been fun. Bye-bye. Okay, let's get my tractor. Good Lord. Good thing I didn't hook the air seeder up. Let's be honest, I really wanted to use my new tires anyways. Let's go. So, just hopping back in this cab. That other one, those new tractors, you can really swivel this seat right around. So that's kind of cool. This one has front suspension though, so they both have front suspension. Ride quality, gonna be the same pretty well. We'll get this one back in the field. Unfortunately, I really can't actually do a good comparison. 2 miles in. So I guess I should have taped that, but that clay was way too wet. So we gave up. I don't know, we'll see what tomorrow brings, but I think she's gonna be a couple days drying before we get back at it. So make sure you like and subscribe. You guys have a good one. Peace, good night. Well, that was just a day of disappointment. But here we are a few days later. We're cracking this open. So we'll work it once today. Gonna let it sit for the night. And then you're actually gonna see me here tomorrow. Gonna work it again. We're gonna get the air seeder here. We're gonna plant soybeans. We're gonna switch right over to peas. And 2022 should be in the books. So you guys make sure you like and subscribe. Have a good one. Peace.